Plugs into the factory stereo when reinstalling the factory stereo. Manufactured with factory-quality wire and connectors. EIA industry standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. Compatible with 2002-07 Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Plymouth. Backed by Scosce's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. For over 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. We are so confident in our product quality that we back all Scosche 12 volts installation accessories with a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Appears to be good quality. Some wires have small text on the plugs into the factory radio of my 2005 Chrysler Town & Country Touring. 22-pin female connector. Appears to be good quality. Some wires have small text on the wire insulation indicating its function, and the package includes a list of each wire color and its function. Arrived on time from Online Sound. I plan to use in conjunction with a male mating plug to wire in a power amplifier without needing to cut any factory wiring.